Why most beginners make mistakes. Many people enter crypto thinking they need to trade constantly. Charts, candlesticks, signals, sharp price moves, and the feeling that the market is running faster than you. It seems that without experience and being online 24/7, there's no point in trying. Because of this, beginners either never start or quickly get disappointed, since they try to jump straight into the most complex and stressful tool, trading. Trading is only one part of the crypto ecosystem, and it's far from essential at the beginning. Today's exchanges are full financial platforms where you can earn without constant trades, without chasing price, and without trying to guess the market every day. We'll look at the top 5 ways to earn on Bybit, methods suitable even for beginners, without requiring constant trading. And let's fix the key idea right away. Bybit is much more than just trading. It's a complete ecosystem, where your capital can work without endless trades and without chasing price. Today we'll go from the simplest solutions to more advanced ones. First, tools with minimal risk and clear logic. Then, options with more involvement, but still structured and without chaos. Your task is not to grab everything at once, but to understand the logic. Pick one tool, learn it, and only then move to the next. What I'll show you. Where to click, where to check conditions, what to pay attention to, so you'll get a complete picture. Not magic earnings, but a clear system. If you're watching this video, it means you care about structure, not luck. And that's correct. In crypto, it's not the fastest to win, it's the most disciplined. So we won't start with yield or the market. We'll start with the simplest and most practical tool at the beginning, the place where the exchange literally pays you just for getting familiar with the platform. Method 1, Rewards Hub, bonuses for exploring the platform. We'll start with the simplest tool, the place where the exchange literally pays you for learning its features. Rewards Hub is the section where you receive bonuses for actions inside the platform. Important to understand, this is not money out of thin air, but part of the exchange's marketing budget. The platform wants you to get comfortable, and so it rewards your activity. In fact, you're being paid to learn. How to find Rewards Hub. At the top of the screen, tap the Bonus Center button, and you'll land directly in Rewards Hub. If you don't see it, you can. Use search, Bonus Center, or Tasks. Or go to Profile, Tasks or Bonuses. But the main entry point is always the top button. What's inside? You'll find a list of missions, task cards that show right away what you need to do, what bonus you'll receive. Essentially, it's a checklist of actions the exchange pays you for. Common tasks, complete verification, get a bonus, make your first deposit, get extra rewards, try a new feature, get a bonus, join a promotion or quiz, get a bonus. The largest rewards are usually tied to trading volume missions. Key point. Trading volume can be generated almost without risk, opening the opportunity to claim maximum bonuses even if you're just starting out. How it works. The exchange gives you a task, generate trading turnover. This is not about profit or loss, but simply the sum of opened and closed trades. You open a position, you close it. The price barely changes. Sometimes trades are opened in both directions at once, creating turnover. Yes, a small commission is charged, but the bonus often covers it. Rewards Hub is not about active trading. It's about learning the mechanics of the exchange. It's the ideal first step. You don't risk large amounts, you don't need to trade actively, but you already learn the interface and get rewarded for it. Rule for smart users. Always read the bonus conditions carefully. Validity period, where it can be used, whether volume requirements apply, and if there are regional restrictions. Action algorithm. Open the bonus center. Choose a mission. Read the conditions. Click Go. Complete the task. Return and click Claim. If you do this regularly, you'll collect a very pleasant amount, simply for basic actions without risk. Rewards Hub turns your first steps on the exchange into a clear learning system with rewards. Right now, through our link in the description, new users can claim bonuses of up to 30,000 USDT. Register, complete tasks, and your first rewards are already yours. From here, everything builds into a natural route. You've mastered the interface, claimed starting bonuses, understood how the platform works. Now it's time to take the next step, getting familiar with the market. But still without risk and without trading on your own, first you observe, learn, and gain experience to move forward with confidence. This way, the journey becomes a sequential story, where each new level opens only when you're ready for it. Method 2. Copy trading. Trades without manual trading. This is the next level of involvement. You start seeing real trades, but you're still not trading yourself. Copy trading is a mechanism for copying the trades of experienced traders. You connect to a chosen trader. The system automatically mirrors their trades in your account. This way, you're inside the market, but without the need to sit at charts or study technical analysis from scratch. Key point. You delegate trade execution, but control remains with you. You can stop copying, adjust risk levels, switch traders at any time. How to find copy trading. In the top menu, select Tools. Tap, choose Copy Trading, or simply type Copy Trading in search. You'll land in the same section. In front of you will be a showcase of traders. Common beginner mistake. Many immediately look for the most profitable trader, but the right approach is to choose someone whose trading style suits you. Profitability matters, but even more important are strategy and the level of risk you're ready to accept. What to look at when choosing a trader. Profitability, evaluate over months, not just a week. Maximum drawdowns, check how deep the account has fallen. Number of trades, frequency shows the style. History length, the longer, the more reliable. Trading style, aggressive or more conservative. How to connect. Choose a trader, open their profile, click copy. Set risk parameters. How much capital you allocate, trade limit, overall stop loss, confirm. And from that moment, trades are copied automatically. Important rules. Copy trading is not a guarantee of profit. Even the best traders sometimes face drawdowns. So, evaluate results over the long term. Don't invest an amount that causes stress. Look not only at profit but also at drawdowns. Copy trading is not easy money, but a soft entry into the market. You observe, learn, and gradually start to feel market movement, while keeping control over risks. If you want to understand faster and see real trades, join our Telegram channel and trading chat, link in the description. So now you've gained live experience. You've seen how the market works in practice and understood trade mechanics. Now it's time to step aside from trading itself and look at the market from another perspective. How new projects are launched and what earning opportunities the exchange offers at their start. This way, you move from observing trades to understanding how the ecosystem is formed and where new growth points appear. Method 3. Launchpool and Launchpad. Earning on new projects. This is the next level of involvement. You start working with real projects but still without active trading. Many beginners skip this tool, thinking it's too complicated. In practice, it's much simpler. You participate in the launch of new projects directly through the exchange. The exchange launches a new project and rewards active users. There are two formats. Launchpool. You hold your coins on the exchange. The platform uses them within the campaign. Every day you receive new tokens. You don't buy or sell, you just hold the asset and get rewarded. It's similar to Rewards Hub, but now tied to real projects. Launchpad. Here you buy a new token before it hits the open market. Everything follows fixed exchange rules. How much you can buy, when you'll receive tokens, when you can use them. This format requires more involvement. You enter the project at the very start. Why it's useful? Launchpool and Launchpad let you earn from new projects without guessing the market or making active trades. It's a soft way to go deeper into the crypto ecosystem, keeping structure and controlled risk. Why it's convenient for beginners? The main advantage? All conditions are known in advance. Exact start and end dates. No emotional buying at the top. Participation is calmer than buying a token on its first trading day, when prices swing. How to find Launchpool and Launchpad? Open the Bybit app. On the home page, tap More or Services. From the list of tools, select Launchpad or Launchpool. If you don't see them right away, type the name in search and the app will open the right section. How to participate? Launchpool. Open an active campaign. You'll immediately see the conditions: duration, required assets, reward distribution. Tap Stake, choose the asset, confirm participation. From that moment, daily token accrual begins. Launchpad. Open a campaign. Tap Commit or Participate. Choose the amount, confirm. You'll receive tokens according to the exchange rules, with fixed dates and limits. What to check before joining. Campaign duration, how long it runs, and whether early exit is possible. Asset for participation. Stablecoins mean lower risk. Volatile coins may drop in price. Reward distribution, daily or at the end. With early exit, part of the income may be lost. Essence for beginners. Launchpool and Launchpad are the next step, from simply holding assets to participating in the exchange ecosystem. You begin to understand how projects are launched, how tokens are distributed, what rules the exchange sets. Once this level is clear, you can move on to more advanced tools. If you've already learned how to get tokens from new projects, the next stage is to make your capital work. Now we move to passive income tools. Money starts generating profit without your constant involvement. Capital becomes an asset that works for you, and you gradually build a sustainable crypto earning system. Method 4. Earn, staking and savings. This is the stage where crypto starts working on its own, even while you sleep. At the beginning, many newcomers think the exchange is only about active trading, but over time comes the realization capital can generate income without constant deals. Earn is often called passive income, but it's not magic and not a bank deposit. It's a way to monetize the time you hold an asset. As long as you're not selling or trading, your crypto can earn interest. How it works: you place your asset into an earned product. The exchange uses it in its mechanics, and you receive interest. Sources of income can include lending, providing liquidity, internal exchange mechanisms. For the user, it looks simple. There's a rate, and there are accruals. In the top menu, select Finance. Earn. You'll see a list of products with interest rates. Essence for beginners. Earn is the logical step if you already hold an asset and don't plan to sell it right now. You turn simple holding into an income tool. Crypto stays with you, but at the same time generates interest. Two formats of Earn. There are two main options: flexible and fixed. This is where conscious strategy begins. Flexible Earn. Best for those who value freedom of access. Assets can be withdrawn almost any time. Interest accrues daily. Rates are usually lower. This option suits assets you hold but want to keep liquid. Fixed Earn. Assets are locked for a set period: a week, a month, or longer. Rates are higher. Early withdrawal is either impossible or only possible with loss of interest. This format suits the part of your portfolio you're consciously ready to freeze for a while. Who it's for. Earn works best for those who already built a basic position, hold assets mid or long term, have capital but no trading idea at the moment. Important to remember, Earn is not a risk-free deposit. Risks remain, they just take different forms. Platform risk, liquidity risk, asset risk. Its price may fall faster than interest accrues. A relatively safer option is staking stablecoins like USDT or USDC, which are pegged to the US dollar and less volatile. The main idea is not to chase the highest rate, but to understand what you're being paid for. Don't lock your entire portfolio. Use Earn as part of a broader strategy. How to act inside Earn. Open an Earn product. Choose an asset. Click subscribe or stake. Enter the amount. Confirm participation. From that moment, the asset starts generating interest, and your capital works even when you're not doing anything. If the beginner's journey format resonates with you, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the continuation. Now it's time to move to the next level, automation. This is the moment when your system begins to run itself. algorithms take over routine tasks, while you gain more freedom for analysis, exploring new strategies, and expanding your crypto journey. Step by step, the beginner's path transforms into the creation of your own automated earning ecosystem. Method 5. Trading bots. Automated trading without manual work. At this stage comes an important transition, from passive tools to the real market, but still without the need to sit at charts yourself. Trading bots are automated strategies that open and close trades according to preset algorithms, without emotions, without fatigue, without impulsive decisions. This is the first step towards systematic trading, because the main problem in trading is human emotions: fear, greed, rushed actions. Bots follow strict rules and don't panic. How to find trading bots. In the top menu, select Tools. From the list, tap Trading Bots, or simply type Trading Bots in search. You'll land in the same section. You'll see the bots page. And here's the key point. Bybit immediately shows ready-made and tested strategies. There's a ranking of bots, performance statistics, system recommendations based on data analysis. In essence, the exchange itself suggests which bots are currently showing good results. This makes starting as simple as possible and lowers the entry barrier for beginners. Popular bots for beginners. Gridbot earns on price fluctuations. DCA bot gradually buys an asset using a dollar cost averaging strategy. How Gridbot works. The market constantly moves up and down even without a clear trend. Gridbot sets up a grid of orders. Below the current price, it buys. Above, it sells. When the price fluctuates within the range, the bot locks in small profits again and again. You don't trade manually, the bot does it for you. And you don't need to invent a strategy from scratch. Bybit offers ready-made settings, AI-based recommendations, a list of popular and successful bots, preset parameters for quick launch. You can literally choose a ready strategy and start it in just a few clicks. How to launch Gridbot. Open the Trading Bot section. Select Gridbot. Click Create. Review the suggested parameters and recommendations. Choose a trading pair. Enter the amount. Confirm creation. From that moment, the bot starts working automatically. Why this is a logical step? By this stage, you already understand the basic mechanics of the market, but you're not yet ready to trade manually. Gridbot becomes the bridge between beginner and trader. Key rules. Use only part of your capital. Don't expect instant profit. Give the strategy time. Bots are not a magic tool for instant earnings. Their effectiveness shows primarily when the market moves within a certain range. They are designed to consistently capture price fluctuations. During strong trends, profitability may decrease, since the strategy is built for working inside a price corridor. In other words, bots are tools for systematic and calm trading, not a guaranteed source of constant income. Trading bots are automation and the first step towards systematic, emotion-free trading. You set the rules and the algorithm does the work for you. All the most useful resources are collected in the description of this video. There you'll find a link to the Bybit exchange, our top list of crypto exchanges, a selection of reliable cold wallets, a list of DEPIN extensions for mining, and links to our Telegram channel and trading chat. And now we've reached the final bonus. The sixth tool takes you beyond the exchange, when crypto starts working in your everyday life. Bonus method. Bybit Card. This is earning from ordinary expenses. Up until now, all opportunities were inside the platform. Now crypto steps into the real world. You pay with the card and receive cashback in cryptocurrency. Your life stays the same. Buying coffee, paying subscriptions, traveling, booking services, and online purchases. But part of your spending comes back to you in crypto, up to 8-10% cashback. These conditions won't last forever, but right now the exchange is actively developing the card and attracting users. How it works. The card is linked to your Bybit account. Your balance holds crypto or stablecoins. At payment, automatic conversion into fiat occurs. No need to manually sell crypto or transfer money to a bank. Payments go through like with a regular card, where you can use it. Offline stores, online shopping, subscriptions and services, travel and bookings. Basically, anywhere standard bank cards are accepted. The most interesting part here is cashback. For every payment, you get a percentage back in cryptocurrency. This creates a double logic. You spend money and at the same time accumulate crypto. Ordinary expenses turn into an accumulation tool. Why it's convenient. No separate capital required. No extra time or effort needed. You simply move everyday spending into the crypto ecosystem. This creates a long-term accumulation effect. Monthly spending, monthly cashback. Over time, a separate crypto portfolio forms. In essence, it works like passive DCA. Crypto is purchased in small portions automatically, and you barely notice the process. Thus, your capital gradually accumulates, without extra effort or constant monitoring. Bybit Card is not a primary earning method, but the final element of the ecosystem. It makes crypto part of your daily expenses and turns every purchase into a small investment. How to connect and start using Bybit Card. Open the Bybit app. In the top menu, select Finance, Card or Bybit Card. Tap Get Card or Apply. The process takes just a few minutes. The system asks you to fill out a short application, confirm personal details, choose card type, virtual or physical, if available in your region, provide address and basic information. After approval, the card appears directly in the app. Virtual card. You can use it immediately. Add to Apple Pay or Google Pay, connect to online services, pay for purchases both online and offline. How payments work. Fund your account with crypto or stablecoins like USDT, choose the spending currency, pay for purchases like with a regular card, receive cashback in crypto. The whole process takes just a few minutes, and your crypto starts working in daily life. You pay as usual, but now every expense returns part of the funds in cryptocurrency, gradually forming a long-term portfolio without extra effort. We've walked through the entire beginner's path in the crypto ecosystem. And now it's clear this isn't a random set of features, but a step-by-step growth ladder, getting familiar with the platform and claiming first bonuses, observing the market through copy trading, joining new project launches via Launchpool, Launchpad, making capital work through Earn, automating trading with bots, and finally, using crypto in everyday life with the Bybit Card. A crypto exchange is not just trading, it's a full financial ecosystem. The beginner's task is not to try mastering everything at once, but to move step by step, master one tool, then move to the next, without rush, without chaos, without overload. Want to start your crypto journey? In the description, you'll find the registration link for Bybit, with bonuses up to 30,000 USDT for new users. Start with the Bonus Center. Claim your first rewards, test different tools, step by step build your own earning system. If this video helped you, support it with a like and subscribe so you don't miss new episodes. See you in the next videos. Your journey is only beginning.